Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Karen. Today we are going to make this beautiful heart for Mother's Day. To make it, you need red and pink felt, something that is heart shaped, but you need two sizes, bigger size and a smaller size, pins, scissors, thread and needle, and some stuffing. Okay, so let's make it. Take your heart pattern. You can easily draw this, and then take your felt fabric, put on fold, put here and pin. Cut. Okay, like that. Put this aside. Cut a smaller heart and take red felt. Put here. Pin. And then you cut. Okay, like that. So now remove pins here. You have a smaller heart, and here also remove pins. Okay, and here take one, put this aside, and this one put here, and sew. Use white to sew here so that it pops. Okay, so sew right round. Okay, so this is how it looks so far. It's looking very nice. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So now again, take a piece of red felt and write mom here. Okay, like this. So now go ahead and cut each letter. Okay, so now put here, here, and sew here. Okay, it's done and it's looking so beautiful. So now take the other part, put here, and sew right round and leave a space. This time use pink thread. Subscribe. Okay, it's done. So now here insert some stuffing. Okay, it's done. So now here make a loop like this, as simple as this. Okay, it's done. So now you can give this to your mom for Mother's Day. Thank you for watching. Mite krete arigato.